First of all, what are we gonna put?
First of all, what button do we press?
Oh my gosh, what the heck? Hold on. What the? Okay, I guess ground. This is sick. Look, we literally are like pushed up together.
You and your man. Nobody else.
Look at Addie. She confused.
No, baby, it's dirty.
This is sick.
Okay. Why are we
First of all, this is the 6th floor. How? Didn't I push the ground level? Okay, I'm confused. Look at this. Did I even? This is 6. Why are we on level 6?
I cannot.
Oh my god.
If it stop on every level, I'm breaking this elevator.
Oh, there it goes. You say you gonna break the elevator? We gonna have to run around.
Yeah, that's one.
Oh my gosh.
I feel like I got comfortable.
Okay, here we go. Okay. Are we finally out? Is this the ground? Okay, thank you. It kept stopping us on different levels. You too. The camera all out. Wait, how do we get out? Lexy, you gotta put your thing back on.
What thing?
GPS.
Wait, what are we looking for?
To get back to the water tower.
I thought it was around the... Wait,
Gas station.
is it down the street?
Yeah, I think so. Oh my gosh, y'all. This place is really weird. I wish I could have got the video of us going up. Y'all, we was on the ramps for like 10 minutes. We was going in circles, it felt like. Wait, oh, I should have been in the front. That would have been smart. We are finally out. We are finally in the city. Look at this. It's so pretty. I love Chicago.
All of a sudden, I forgot where we going.
Right. Wait, I think we gotta go this way.
Oh, yeah.
So we're about to walk to the water tower. Eddie, you see all the buildings? Yeah. Oh, Eddie.
I need to do like this sometimes.
Look. You so silly. Like she gotta walk with us. This is so pretty. Like, oh my gosh, I've never. Now I feel like a tourist. It's so pretty. Oh, the dog. Y'all see these signs? Wow. The street. It's the water tower.
Kids in the wagon, and the wagon flipped over. And the kids fell out.
Oh, we can't go through here, Lexy.
And the kids fell out, and they was crying.
Look at Macy's lights.
Bags like this.
Oh, wait. I see this. They got Macy's bags. I'm not gonna play. This lighting up in here is love, though. This is crazy. It's so pretty in here. We got Tiffany and Co. I tried to slick my baby hair and I think it was still a fail.
I know, baby.
I can't slick my baby hair to save my life. So pretty. So pretty. Here's the trees. Oh yeah, there goes the elevator. Cause you remember that one time when that creepy dude was trying to get in the elevator with us?
Yeah.
Yeah, we was like,
You gonna go or no?
Okay, so we can go up that or the other. Bye.
It's so dirty.
She keep trying to push it. What, she want to push it?
Yeah.
Probably.
Ooh, did you push the...
I didn't push it.
Oh my gosh. Look.
Oh, it knew
I thought it was
to
going
go.
to fly.
Look, I was hovering over it.
Wait, push it.
Oh, shoot.
I'm gonna say, I hope it just moved by itself. That's so weird. I'm trying. I tried, it wouldn't go
down.
Yo, so we was trying to run away from these creepy dudes. And the elevator wouldn't even go up. Now the elevator can move with nobody in it. Ooh, why it's still moving? Oh, that's still moving. I thought we were still moving.
Oh,
That was so funny. Oh, you can make your own right here.
That's double chocolate doodle.
Dodo, not doodle. She is sick. Oh, look at the unit. Look how they look. Hold on. Oh, they got a Girl Scouts one.
That's definitely not one.
Y'all look. Oh my gosh. My favorite store. I always go here online.
Here though.
Yo,
This
look at
ain't
these
Shein.
mannequins.
This ain't Shein material.
Why Lexy said these mannequins move into the beat. This is so funny to me. Lexy. Oh my god.
I'm about to scream.
Now I gotta put mine back on so we can model it. But, like a snake. Wait, what did it move like a snake? Move like a
It's like,
This one, y'all. This is so cute. Ooh, sorry. This is so cute. And it's puffy. It's short in the front, long in the back. And y'all, it's called the cocoon coat, and it is really cute. Y'all should go to Uniqlo, and y'all will be popping. Okay. Okay. Colors though, like, oh, just heaven. Heaven. All these pepper coats, y'all. These are so bomb.
you wanna lay back?
This is crazy.
Okay,
Claustrophobic elevator. I can't even look down this time.
Than before.
For real, look at this.
Me and Addie fit over here.
That's what I'm saying. This is crazy.
Okay.
Now I gotta show y'all this journey back out of this garage.
Oh my god, y'all should have seen when we first came in. We made like 20 seconds. We like, oh my god, we in the wrong parking garage because every park kept saying reserve, reserve. Addie,
This is
put your
sick.
feet down.
Addie, how you feeling? She just chilling,
It's time
y'all.
to go.
Yeah, she ready to go. She probably tired. She gonna sleep good tonight. Ooh. Let's see if we can find this car.
I feel like
Ooh, I
something
forgot we
hanging
gotta
on my
come
butt.
down, don't we? Bye.
But that's because I got on,
Okay, wait.
what is it called?
Yeah,
When they
thong?
snap down here?
Oh, onesie.
Yes, and I didn't snap it in the bathroom. I was like, what if it's hanging?
I'm done.
hanging.
Ooh, watch Lexy. Don't let Eddie. Do not let Eddie fall in the street. She gonna freak out. Wait. Wait, was it this way?
What?
Wait, what? Okay, go back this way. Maybe it's this way. Come this way.
Oh wait, cause remember it was an empty wall and it said 7 something. Oh my god.
I thought it was this way though. Cause you remember we came around a corner, didn't we?
Remember a wall said 7 something. And we didn't park by something like this, it was a wall. Oh my goodness.
Lexy, I think it's this way. I'm telling
Wait,
you.
press your thing, see if we can hear it. Where is it?
Oh, it's something
You
there.
think it's noise?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Why did I do this
Why is it
before? And
so
one
far?
time I got lost. One time I
Up
was
here.
like, no, because we had to come. Remember, we had to go up that ramp. So I was right. It is this way.
Your car is there.
It's this way, Lexy. Remember, we came up a ramp.
But we didn't come out that.
We did come up a
telling you.
ramp. All right. You want to cry? Dude, I cannot. Wait. I'm telling you, it's down there.
Wait, now it's not doing it.
Exactly, because it's down there.
It's not doing it now.
See, because it's down there.
Why is it so far?
Lexy don't listen. Because remember, we had to come up this way to go down the elevator. You just wanted to do this. That's why you... Oh my gosh, this is sick.
Up the ramp?
I don't know. Wait. See? I told you. We're coming, Sassy. We're coming.
I remember walking that far.
We did, I'm telling you. Lexy, you don't have to drive back. Cause I don't wait, but I don't remember going up 2 ramps. Wait, where's the car? Sassy, where are you at?
Nice to go see over there.
Wait, what is this is so funny. This happened to me before and I cried and my auntie had to drive me around. But we don't know nobody out here, so we just gotta go looking for the car. This is sick. We're getting a lot of exercise, y'all. Y'all, so this lady staring at us like we crazy because we can't find the car. That ain't our fault, we can't find the car. You seen them when we was coming down, they were staring at us.
Everybody listen. Wait.
See, it sound like it's that way. I'm confused. Sassy.
Wait. It's not like it's
Y'all, we can't find Sassy.
It's not like it's up here.
I'll see you thinking.
It's up here.
But that's where y'all, I can't find my car. I'm about to cry. It look like we're gonna be walking all the way to Indiana.
Oh my goodness, I'm about to cry.
Mind you, Chicago is an hour away from
So walking
home.
is for like 3 days.
That's gonna take us, yes, 3 days. Oh my gosh, this ramp is so steep. I'm telling you, I don't know. This is crazy.
And now it's not doing it again. Let's go this way.
Wait, but was it on the 6th floor? Where?
Right there.
Ah!
I knew it.
This is crazy. We found Sassy. Go get her.
That's all like, it's all like, it's up there.
Ah! Oh, I can't even run. There's Sassy, you guys. There's Sassy. She's happy to see us. Look at Addie.
It's up there.
And the fact that Addie not paying attention now.
Yeah.
Look.
I don't even think that was that close.
Oh, wait.
Oh my god, I hope a
I'm
car
glad
don't come.
Sassy's small, though.
I hope a car don't come. I'm like, what's this girl doing?
Oh, my gosh. We're going the wrong way.
I swear I didn't just start driving. Now see how many circles it
Okay,
takes us to get
y'all.
out.
Y'all gotta see how long it's gonna take us to get out of here. And that means we gotta go up one more thing to go down, right? Okay, watch.
I guess.
Wait, ooh.
That's close.
It looked like it's about to hit the roof. That's how I was scared when I was going up. Okay, watch. Okay, so that's one time. Go another one. Go to, bye. Look how close it looks to the ceiling. This is crazy.
Remember I said the cars can be 6 inches?
Right? Yeah, she said 6 inches. Dang, where is it that sign at? So I can show. Oh, dang. That
I
sign
think
ain't
it's
over
going the
there.
other way.
So the sign said that the car can't be taller than 6 feet. Lexy gonna say the car can't be taller than 6 inches. This is hilarious. Oh
I literally can't even see if there were pedestrians, so I would have hit everybody.
Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a mirror right there.
I know, that ain't
You can
enough.
see.
Dude, though,
This
you
is
see how many times we
crazy.
going around?
Look, this is like the 5th time already. Oh my gosh. This is 6, level 5. Oh, excuse me.
Now we gotta go to 4?
Yep.
Oh my
Oh my gosh.
This is
Here
triggering me.
goes one away. Yep, this is level 4.
This ain't
This is
like,
crazy. This still level 4. How? See, I knew it. So the levels they must double up or something.
Ow, my nails hitting.
Nah, but when me and Lexy was coming down the first time or going up the first time, we thought that we was.
I'm glad we're going
circles,
down this one
going in circles.
because that other one, that big circle one, is the one I don't like.
Yeah. But this is still bad though because it make you feel like you still going in circles.
It do.
Look at this is so sick. See, it's 2 level 3s. I'm confused.
And then why did I say 6 through 8?
See, this is really confusing.
This is why we don't come here. Like,
This is crazy.
well, all of a sudden it's just us leaving, nobody else.
Right, everybody. But they still got their car. Part's weird.
We was going around in circles like, have we seen this car before?
Right? I was like, Lexy, did we see this car already?
I was crying.
This is sick.
Okay, still not done.
This is this is so sick.
Nah, at this point we going to circles
Why somebody got
again.
their luggage over there?
Right.
What the
it better go.
heck? Okay, so look at that car. That car been sitting there for years, y'all. First of all, you see the windshield on that? That car is dusty.
I was about to go on again and say do not.
Oh my gosh, do
Where
not
do we
ensure.
go?
Wait, where do we go? Y'all, this
Oh my god, I went the wrong way.
Oh my gosh, can we reverse?
No.
Oh my gosh, I hope nobody coming. This is so crazy. How we gonna reverse? Oh, next to the dusty car. Somebody wrote on it. It say save me. Wait. The car says save me.
It's on a flag.
I cannot. Poor car. That's so sad.
They paid for a reserved spot for that car.
Right. Well,
Oh, sorry.
whatever.
No,
Oh.
okay. Look at my what is it?
Cadillac, or whatever it is. People just.
What?
Wait, is this a? Wait, is this an exit?
It says it is in there.
Oh my gosh! See, this is. I can't. This stuff is scary. Well, you got room though, but. Oh, yeah, you got room. You got a lot of room, actually.
Oh, but I'm like close.
Y'all,
to the
look at
wall
this.
inside. Look how close we are. I'm on the car.
No! Are you? Oh, you gonna hit the back. Oh. Oh, you hit it. Wait, Lexy. Wait. Okay, you're gonna have to keep reversing. But you're gonna have to keep reversing because look, you got the door. Oh, keep reversing because the door is right
I can
here.
see the door on in my window.
Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, wait.
Is somebody behind me?
Wait.
Is somebody behind me?
Okay, but how? Okay, she reversing. But the question, oh my gosh, Lexy, don't get the mirror. Look, the mirror. How do you? Oh wait, don't go that way. Oh, Lexy.
I'm gonna have to go this way.
Oh, Lexy, y'all, look at. Oh, and we getting this all on
I don't know
camera.
what's behind me.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
I don't know what's behind me.
Wait, but how are we gonna get out of here?
We have to. We gotta go.
Wait. Oh my gosh, Lexy.
This is dumb.
This
Why
is
it
so
small?
steep. And how do we get out? What type of bumps are these? Oh
Look
my
how easy
gosh.
they driving around.
But look how, oh my gosh.
Look,
But why would they do this? Because
They
how
made
is this
the
car
car
behind us? How they gonna stop? And he better not hit my car. Yo,
That
this
was
is crazy.
dumb.
Look at this.
look, we ain't never parking
This
here
is
again.
crazy. That's why we got it for cheap.
We did.
Yo, this is crazy. I can't.
And they just came up behind me.
I
all
cannot. Look. Oh my gosh. Look how steep this stuff is. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. It look like the ceiling about to touch us.
Ooh, the mirror and everything. That was dumb. We ain't never parking in this
Yeah,
again.
that was crazy.
That one
wish
is
we
so
would've got-
cheap.
I wish we would have got the when we first came in. Finally, we're out. Oh, this light is nice.
That was stressful.
Oh, this was a crazy day, y'all. Very eventful. Lexy! I wish I would have recorded this. Lexy
Why
almost
was he
hit this
still
dude.
walking?
Lexy almost hit this dude. I cannot. Lexy.
And you
Oh
made me
my
drive
gosh.
for what?
I sure did make you drive.
For
Oh, look at the horse. Yeah. Okay, y'all.
That was embarrassing.
So y'all have to hear this story, y'all. So it was a fine dude.
I don't know where to go.
A fine chocolate man. Dang.
That's
I
like
can't
white
even
chicks.
record.
Remember white
Cause she
chick?
got the thing swear.
Cause what?
Cause she got the phone, so we can't even use the GPS. And
Well,
we can't record.
That's fine.
Ah!
We gotta
Okay.
go this way to go to Lakeshore Drive. That's all I know.
Okay, so real quick. So we're gonna try to get this out before.
You know white chicks when they be like, what a beautiful chocolate man.
Oh yeah, bye. I'm telling y'all, this man was so gorgeous. He was something you would see in magazine.
Tara was scared.
Because I wasn't gonna talk to him, but he was so fine. But y'all, this was the stitch. Isn't that? Ain't that what they say?
I thought it was the stitch.
No, what was the thing that they say? This was the
tea?
But this was the catch.
The catch.
Yeah, this was the catch. He was with his grandma.
What? We don't know if that was.
No, that was his grandma.
We just assume that's his grandma because she was old.
It was an old lady, unless that was his sugar mama.
Because
I'm trying to figure out who this old lady was walking with him. And I'm like, dude, no. And I thought he was so fine. Lexy kept trying to tell me to talk to him.
He kept looking at her and he was laughing and smiling because he knew that she was hiding because she crazy.
I was nervous, y'all. I was nervous. But he was so fine. He was fine, okay? And he knew how to dress. But I was scared.
Dang, I should have turned.
I was so scared.
I don't know why, because that could have been her husband. But now her husband gone.
But
and he literally, y'all, popped up how many times?
He did pop up.
We went to like 2
Well,
different
he
floors.
shouldn't have came with his grandma. He could have talked to me. He could have talked to me.
I wouldn't care about the grandma.
But we... Because his grandma would have been like...
I would have been like, bye, grandma. I would have tripped her. Sorry, I'm just kidding. But he popped up like 2 different times. So you knew it was destined to be. And she was the...
If it was destined to be, he would have found a way to find his number. He would have found a way.
Maybe. So we know that maybe he was either too young or lived with the grandma or something. Because I feel like if
he wasn't too young. I'm telling you, that man was...
I feel like if he was old enough and could do what he wanted to do, he would have did it.
I feel like he was being respectful of his grandma. I believe so. Because she was an old lady. She was an old lady. And I feel like he wanted to take her out for her birthday.
But it's my birthday.
I'm just going to tell a story. Because I'm pretty sure that's what he was doing. He said, Grandma, let's go for a stroll in the park. A stroll in the water tower. So that's what he did. He took his grandma for a stroll. But the thing is, they didn't even get no food, now that I think about it. So he just came up in there just to be a creep.
Right.
That's he didn't even get no food. That was crazy. Okay, what else happened today? Then this crazy girl.
I guess I'm supposed to sit here because this say left on green arrow only.
Yeah, you gotta wait. So it was a girl who was a cat who at the who was at the cash register ringing us up at M-Burger. And she had an attitude. And I'm like, what did we do to you? We didn't do nothing to you.
I got out.
But so I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just let her slide. Then the old lady that worked there had attitude as well. So then Lexy gonna say, maybe you have to have an attitude to work here. I was like, what? I'm like, really?
I was in like that one place where they got to be mean on purpose.
At the Bevics, I think that's what's called, yeah. Where you gotta be mean on purpose. But no, that was not the case. So I'm like, you know what? Since they want to be rude, slamming people's food everywhere, I'm going to call corporate. And I'm not even the type of person to call corporate, but they made me want to call corporate. So I'm like, you know what? I'm about to ask somebody who works here if they have a number for the corporate office. And sure enough, one of the managers was in there, but she said she was not the manager of that specific place because there's multiple restaurants in there. She said, oh, of course I have the corporate number. And she said, matter of fact, please make sure you call. I don't usually condone people to call corporate, but I want you to call because we get complaints about them all the time. Sick.
Wow.
Just sick.
The fact that they still working there.
That's what I'm saying. Like, what? So they must really be in desperate need of someone to be working there.
Because it was a man, I went up there to get Addie a milkshake, and it was a man in front of me. Oh, they got a waxing out here. Yep. And him and his daughter were there, and she wanted a pop, and he was like, can we get a pop? She's like, pop machine down. I'm like, dang.
People are so rude, I'm telling you.
And she's doing her hair like that. She kept doing like, pop machine down. I'm like, girl.
People are real. I'm trying to tell y'all.
And she kept pulling out her phone, so you know she was ready to go home. She kept looking at the clock. I don't even know if we're going the right way right now, y'all.
Yeah, but we need to go. Because we got to
I think Lexy drive is this way, though. I feel like
this is the test of the day if Lexy know what she doing.
Right.
So see, that's the problem with this generation. They can't live without phones. This is the problem. Oh, shoot. What is this? I hate when the streets made like that. Because what if we didn't have phones? Then what?
Right.
Why his lights not on?
We would have been using that big map that our parents used to put out.
Right. So we gotta go that way first. Because it's a one-way. We don't have to wait until it wrap around. Let's see if Lexy can figure this out. I should have went
down a different street. Why is there a stop sign right here? That's dumb.
Let's see if Lexy can figure this out.
Lexy gonna hit somebody. Because I almost hit that man. We'll figure it out.
Let's see if Lexy can do it.
Santana's supposed to be doing it.
Really good.
This ain't in my car.
Look, I can't
stand
the wall and she scraped something. You scraped something.
I did.
Yeah, that's what I was like, no! That's what I was like, don't.
It was probably the wheel.
I'm scared. I don't even want to look to see what was scraping. Crazy, yo.
Why is he in the middle?
Billy, you supposed to be behind the line. All the way in the middle of the street. Ain't nobody turn like they supposed to. This is just ridiculous. What is he doing?
Okay.
Okay.
Why are they up there? They in the way.
I always loved how those green cars right there look. I want one. But they said that those were handicapped cars.
Bye.
They so cute though. Yeah, the ones that carry wheelchairs.
Look, the light ain't gonna turn because of him.
Come up because of him, because it felt like nothing. He just drove off. And then he finally turned his lights on. Here's the car. I want this so bad, yeah.
Ew.
I want to be quiet. I want to paint it pink. That'd be so pretty.
No, it wouldn't.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, we know where not to park next time.
Yeah, because that was crazy.
Can I turn left?
Yeah, make a left, and then you gotta make another left to go on that other street. City is just so pretty at night. Okay, so
what we gotta do, Billy?
I'm about to
look at that sticker he got on his back window.
Oh, it's creepy, but I want to take a video of it. Y'all look at that.
He about to look at
Y'all look at this.
He look at it. He was getting ready to.
That was creepy.
You could have did the sound effect.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, why is it so close? It looks like everybody close together.
I don't like it out here at all.
This is so weird. Why are they? Look at them. Oh, he coming over. Wait, he coming over. Oh my gosh. Why is everybody being weird?
We can't turn here either.
We finally found our way out.
With the help of
Get out
the ghetto. Oh my god, when we ended up in the ghetto. I wish we was recording back then.
That was hilarious.
That would have been a good one.
Oh my god.
I still got that clip.
Yes, that clip was so funny. It was a clip when you were in the bed
whoa. And we was like, whoa.
He said they shoot.
And then we pulled up to some projects, and we had to turn, make a U-turn, and the dudes was outside looking. We like, oh, we gotta go.
We gotta go. It was so funny.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Why would we be doing dumb adventures like that? We could have really made that TikTok. Like, I'm in the ghetto.
We should go back to that area one more time. Nah, because this time we'll for real get shot up.
Right.
It was on the side somewhere over here.
No.
I just don't. It was over here somewhere because. Wait, no. It was on this side though, because a carnival is on this side usually, right? Or is
We
it
need
that
to
side?
wait to get back warm and find out, because I'm pretty sure that carnival gonna be back.
Yes, they're
And
everywhere.
we'll be able to see where it is.
That was so funny.
So we was like, ooh, let's go get fun, okay.
Yeah, that was crazy. Oh, we forgot to go to that place